That comes up all the time. Rappers and artists talk about that. And Aiden Ross came out from behind the room, in the room beyond the room. Even Kevin Hart isn't beyond that room. And Aiden Ross came from that room covered in blood on his mouth, all over. And then they did a ritual to Lacey, and Lacey sold his soul. And then he talked about it for months, and then he stopped. But Lacey looked really sick for a long time. Lacey looks like if Boone looks like Aiden Ross and Lacey together. Phase Lacey. And then if you put Aiden Ross, Lacey, and Boone and shoved it into a petri dish and then injected it with Casey, you'd have Sketch.
You watch all these people?
You're built like a fridge. I watch the short.
Sorry.
When I'm scrolling in the short, shorts come. You're built.
No, bro, Casey, you're built like a brick. You're built like a brick. You're built like a Stonewall King of the North.
Hold up.
You built like you have a royal sword with diamonds in it and braided hair.
How does this fit the sketch?
I said, I don't know why I said you're built like a fridge. I said, I said you're built like a fridge, and then Westy goes, sorry. Sorry. I didn't mean.
My bad.
I didn't mean to offend Westy, and he took it immediately. He caught it before I even knew that I said it.
It's like responding to things.
Before I even knew that I said it. It didn't register that I said that. I didn't even know what I said until after I said it. Before I even realized what happened, I offended Westy. I said, you're built like a fridge. All right. I think I'm
starting to edit the Ted
like a
post.
All right. I just laughed so much I woke up to reality.
What's your reality, Casey?
The one I'm seemingly avoiding.
No, you want to see my history project? When I make my history project, you want to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show it off. I'll show it off tomorrow.
Okay. You're built like a
I wish Heather would come back. Do you have Heather muted?
No. She changed her name to Meg.
That's crazy.
Heather changed her name to Meg.
I don't see Heather talking yet. I don't see Heather talking at all.
She muted you, bro. She blocked you.
So I can't see when she chats. Wait.
That's actually so funny.
Maybe go to all messages.
No! I'm gonna have to hop to a different account.
Nah, Boone, you low-key an eldritch horror for that. You an eldritch horror.
I remove one nigga Manny. Heather says I will unsure him if he chill.
I don't care if you unmute me, Heather, because I don't need you to unmute me because I already switched to a different account. So fuck you.
Heather, you want to see what Boone looks like?
No! Yeah, Casey, if you do
How do you know? He's watching the stream. Westy muted.
Excuse me.
What do I do now? You're built like a fridge.